Yo, what's up guys? New month, new video I guess. Not a very good one, but a video nonetheless. So today I thought I'd show shuffling cards and then maybe another trick. So I got my deck here. I just got this deck. It's pretty cool. Really should be doing my homework, but whatever. So if you don't know how to shuffle, that's what I'm about to do. What you want to do first is you want to cut the deck in half, like so. You have two halves of the deck. I'm trying to make them even as possible, and then you want to make sure that the decks are all the cards are all in line. You know, like loose cards, like you don't want this. You want them all in line, both sides. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the fingertip of your thumb like right on the edge here, as you can see, like that. And on the other side, you're gonna want two or three fingers. Yeah, I think I just do pointer and index, and you want the fingertips of those on the edge of the cards too. Yeah. Personally, I like putting my thumb a little more back, like right against like the back part of the knuckle. And doing that, you're gonna put your hands down on the table, your fingertips of your pointer and your index on the table. You're gonna bend the cards like a lot, and then to shuffle, you're gonna want to release the cards, alternating the two decks so that they will shuffle. And then boom, your cards are shuffled, and they might be a little bent, but that's okay. Now, I think what everyone wants to know is what the bridge looks like. So I'm gonna do it again. Shuffle, real time. And the bridge, put your thumbs on the end of the cards. You put the knuckle of your index finger on the back part of the cards, and then you grab with your index and your ring finger, and you lift up. You bend them real hard, and then you move your hand underneath and let the cards do the thing. In order to make it look good, though, you have to do it kind of fast. Okay. So I got this deck of cards, a little older, like multiple years, but I think they should be less slick because of that. So there we go, just like so. Down and then up. I'm gonna see if I can do it like sideways so you can see it better. It's probably gonna go all over the place. Yeah, there we go. Shuffle the cards. That's about it. Though I have some tips for like a new deck. Like if you just bought one and you realize like game one, like the cards are like kind of not shuffled. What you want to do in that situation is basically just make them random. A lot of people, I think, just kind of like do this thing where they spread all the cards around and they bring them together, which is certainly a way to do it, but I have my preferred method. I like to just cut the deck a bunch a bunch of different piles and then kind of just move them around a little bit. And at some point, I bring them together. And then they should be shuffled. Not my best spread, but I think that's what we'll leave off today. Yeah, I guess that's it. I was gonna post like a full VOD of a gaming session, but I don't know. Maybe I'll edit it. I'll learn. Maybe I'll post it and then edit it. Alright, bye.